Hello my dear student. When the data is large in number and they are presented in frequency distribution table, then it becomes very difficult to calculate because calculation becomes large and unmanageable. In such cases, calculation become more convenient if we using a shortcut method, that is assume mean. Now assume means is a method by which we calculate mean of a data. So this one is a frequency distribution table where we calculate today is assume mean. This is the formula for assume mean. X bar equal to AM means assume mean plus summation fx dash that divided by n into I. Okay. Now here AM means assume mean. Summation fx dash, f means here frequency. Now fx dash means this one, fx dash, that means x minus am that divided by I. That means this x dash means this one that divided by n means our total frequency. So if we total, our total frequency is here 40. So am means assume mean, summation fx means frequency of the table, and x dash means here x minus am that divided by I. Here n means 40 total frequency, then I means length of interval. Now how to calculate I? That means length of interval. It was calculated, for example, 5 to 9. 5 to 9 is our class interval. So if we transfer it our class boundary, that means 4.5 and 9.5. Okay. Now the length of class interval means this is the length of class interval. If we minus 9.5 to 4.5, then we found our length of interval is 5. Okay. So here our length of interval is 5. Now we proceed to our calculation, how to calculate mean. Now here assume means what? AM. Assume means we have to take one number according our convenient way. Okay. So here in this case you take assume mean from class mark. Now how to calculate class mark? How to calculate class mark? Very easy. That means 5 plus 9 equal to 14, that divided by 2 we found 7. In this way you calculate class mark for each classes. It's very easy. Now this x means class mark. So here we take assume mean. Assume mean we have to take. So it was just your convenient way that you divide whole the class into two equal parts. You take one assume mean in that way that all the class mark are divided into two equal parts. For example, if I take this one as assume mean, then I think 1, 2, 3, 4 in upper side and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in lower side, because our distribution is not equal, so that we take the middle number as assume mean. So here our distribution is not equal, that's why here we found 1, 2, 3, 4 and here we found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if your distribution is equal in the frequency distribution table, then you must take the number that divide the class mark in two equal parts. So I just take here 27 as assume mean, middle of the value. Okay. It is your choice that you take, but always remember that you take assume mean the middle value of the class mark. Now we proceed our calculation, where in this class mark is very easy how to calculate, you know well. Now x dash, x minus am, that divided by I. Here x means 7, so I just giving you example for first class. So here our x means 7 minus assume mean 27 that divided by I is our 5. So after that calculation we found minus 4. Okay, so here we give minus 4. In this way you calculate all the x dash for this class interval. Now you take now you calculate fx dash. How to calculate fx dash? Here f means this one frequency and x dash means this one. So 4 into 2 minus 8, 3 into 3 minus 9, 2 8s are 16. In this way you just arrange all the data against fx dash. So now dear student, you all are well known about the table, how to calculate. First of all, this 2 was given in your exam. Now this 3 table or this 3 column you have to be arranged. So first one is class mark. How to calculate class mark? 5 plus 9, that divided by 2, that you found all the numbers of class mark. Now x dash, x minus am, that divided by I. Here x means 7, am means you write here 27, that means 7 minus 27, and that divided by I means length of interval. Then you put here 5. Then after that you found the minus 4. In this way you arrange all the data against x dash. Now coming to this point fx dash. Here f means frequency and dash means this one. So 2 4s are 8, 3 3s are 9, and just giving here the mark minus is minus, then plus is plus. Okay, now after that calculation you just add 8, 9, 16, 8. You just add all this number and you add 1, 2, 12, 5, 12 and 5. You just add all this number. After that calculation here you found 9. Okay, you found here minus 9. Now moving to our formula. Formula of assume mean is am plus summation fx dash, that divided by I into that divided by n into I. So here our assume means is 27 plus summation fx dash, that means this means what? Summation, here we put n means our 40. Okay, and length interval is 5, and our summation fx dash is here, summation fx dash, because in this way we just adding all the minus value and all the plus value. After that calculation we found summation fx dash minus 9. So here we put minus 9. So what happened? 27 plus minus 45, that divided by 40. Then 27 minus 1.125. Then we found 25.88. This is the answer of assume mean. Okay, so it is very easy to calculate assume mean. First of all you have to arrange the table very clearly, then you put all the value against your formula, and after that you found the answer. So for today, thank you.